The action camera landscape is about to experience its most disruptive shift in years, and everything we thought we knew about compact imaging is getting completely rewritten. For months, rumors have swirled around what the engineering teams at DJI have been cooking up in their high-security development labs. But the latest leaks reveal a device that does not just iterate on its predecessor, it completely breaks the rules of mobile filmmaking. The upcoming DJI Osmo Action 7 is officially positioning itself as the ultimate cinematic powerhouse, engineered to completely overshadow the competition and redefine what creators can achieve in extreme environments. If you think you have seen high-quality action footage before, you need to prepare yourself for a massive jump in technology, because this new system introduces capabilities that were previously restricted to high-end Hollywood cinema rigs. Industry insiders are pointing to a radical sensor upgrade that fundamentally changes how this camera handles light, making previous sensor limitations a thing of the past. We are looking at a brand new, custom-designed 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a proprietary neural processing unit that processes image data at speeds never before seen in a portable device. This means the standard issues of digital noise, crushed shadows, and muddy details in low-light environments are being completely eliminated, allowing creators to shoot pristine, cinematic footage in the middle of the night or underwater without losing an ounce of clarity. The physical architecture of the lens system has also undergone a complete overhaul, incorporating an advanced multi-coated optical array that virtually eliminates ghosting and flare, even when shooting directly into harsh sunlight. This breakthrough optical design works in perfect harmony with the expanded dynamic range of the new sensor, ensuring that bright, blown-out skies and deep, dark shadows are perfectly balanced in a single frame. Creators who have tested early prototypes suggest that the color science has been completely retuned from the ground up, delivering rich skin tones and natural, vibrant landscapes straight out of the camera without the absolute necessity of heavy color grading. For those who want maximum flexibility in post-production, the device introduces an updated 10-bit D-Log M color profile that captures over 1 billion distinct shades of color, providing unparalleled control during the editing process. The resolution and frame rate capabilities are where this device truly separates itself from anything else on the market, pushing the boundaries of what a compact battery-powered system can sustain without overheating. Leaks confirm the inclusion of staggering native 8K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, a feat that many experts believed was years away for a camera of this physical footprint. This massive resolution means you can crop into your footage up to 4 times in post-production and still maintain a flawless, crisp 1080p output for social media platforms. For slow-motion enthusiasts, the camera unlocks a mind-blowing 4K resolution at 240 frames per second, allowing you to stretch time down to a fraction of its speed while retaining absolute clarity, sharpness, and detail. Frame rates at 1080p are rumored to reach an astonishing 480 frames per second, transforming fast-moving action into smooth, hyper-detailed visual poetry. Managing this immense amount of data requires an entirely new approach to internal thermal management, and DJI has reportedly implemented a passive liquid cooling loop inside the chassis to pull heat away from the processor during extended high-resolution recording sessions. This means the frustrating mid-shoot shutdowns that have plagued action cameras for a decade are officially solved, giving creators the confidence to leave the camera rolling continuously in blazing hot environments. Stabilization technology has also taken a monumental leap forward with the debut of RockSteady 4.0, an algorithm-driven stabilization engine that uses real-time predictive artificial intelligence to anticipate camera movement before it happens. Whether you are barreling down a rugged mountain bike trail, surfing massive waves, or sprinting through a crowded city, the footage remains completely locked, mimicking the fluid motion of a professional mechanical gimbal setup. The Horizon Steady feature has also been enhanced, allowing for a full 360-degree rotation while keeping the horizon line perfectly level, ensuring your viewers never experience motion sickness or disorienting camera tilts. Audio capture has long been an afterthought in the action camera segment, But the new design tackles this flaw head-on by integrating a sophisticated 3-microphone array with advanced, hardware-level wind noise reduction. The onboard audio processors use machine learning algorithms to isolate human voices while filtering out ambient distractions, delivering clean, podcast-quality audio directly from the device, even when traveling at high speeds. The external physical design of the camera reflects a deep understanding of what professional creators demand, balancing rugged durability with intuitive hardware upgrades that streamline the shooting workflow. The front and rear touchscreens are rumored to feature next-generation OLED technology, providing significantly higher peak brightness levels that make viewing details effortless under direct, blinding sunlight. These displays are also protected by an entirely new grade of tempered glass that offers superior scratch resistance and impact protection against accidental drops on rocks or concrete. Power management has received a massive boost as well, utilizing a redesigned high-capacity battery that leverages advanced silicon-carbon chemistry to deliver up to 4 hours of continuous recording on a single charge. This new battery composition also ensures peak performance in extreme sub-zero temperatures, meaning snowboarders and winter sport creators will no longer watch their battery percentages plunge to zero in a matter of minutes. Charging speeds have been doubled, allowing creators to juice up their device from 0 to 80% in less than 15 minutes using a standard fast charger, minimizing downtime in the field. Storage flexibility is another area where this camera shines, featuring a high-speed micro SD card slot alongside a built-in, ultra-fast internal storage option that acts as a fail-safe backup in case an external card fails or runs out of space. The internal software architecture has been completely rewritten to support instant booting, allowing you to go from a powered-off state to capturing a moment in less than half a second, ensuring you never miss a fleeting, unscripted shot. Connectivity features have been brought up to modern enterprise standards, incorporating Wi-Fi 7 protocols for lightning-fast wireless file transfers to smartphones and tablets, allowing for immediate editing and sharing on the go. The camera also functions as a plug-and-play high-definition webcam and supports high bitrate live streaming directly to major platforms via an integrated cellular tethering mode that optimizes data usage. The ecosystem of accessories is expanding rapidly alongside the hardware launch, featuring a magnetic quick-release mounting system that has been reinforced to withstand extreme gravitational forces and sudden impacts. This updated mount allows creators to swap the camera between chest rigs, helmets, and tracking vehicles in a matter of seconds without dealing with tedious thumb screws or fragile plastic clips. Underwater creators will appreciate the enhanced native waterproofing depth, which allows the camera to submerge up to 25 meters without requiring a bulky external housing, making it perfect for free divers and snorkelers. The internal menu system has been streamlined with custom user profiles, allowing you to save your exact shooting parameters for low light, action, and vlogging, and switch between them with a simple swipe. Artificial intelligence features heavily in the new firmware, with automated subject tracking that adjusts exposure and focus priorities on the fly, ensuring that the primary subject remains perfectly sharp and well-lit regardless of chaotic background movement. The autofocus system itself utilizes a hybrid phase detection and contrast detection mechanism that locks onto a subject in milliseconds, completely eliminating the hunting and pulsing effects found in older action cameras. This autofocus precision is particularly crucial when shooting at wide apertures where the depth of field is shallower, giving your footage a distinct, professional cinematic look that looks like it was shot on a cinema camera. The build quality feels exceptionally premium. Utilize ING, a lightweight magnesium alloy internal frame wrapped in a shock-absorbent, tactile outer shell that resists slips and dampens vibrations during high-impact activities. DJI has also paid close attention to environmental sustainability, constructing the outer housing and packaging using a high percentage of recycled materials without compromising structural integrity or premium feel. Software integration with desktop editing applications has been optimized, offering seamless compatibility with industry-standard platforms to allow for instantaneous timeline scrubbing and proxy-free editing of the massive 8K files. The camera also embeds rich metadata, including Euro data, GPS coordinates, and acceleration metrics directly into the video file, opening up advanced post-processing stabilization and data overlay options for racing and aviation enthusiasts. The pricing strategy for this new powerhouse is rumored to remain highly competitive, directly challenging established industry giants and offering significantly more value per dollar than any other option on the shelf. The global creative community is reaching a fever pitch as the official release date approaches, with pre-orders expected to shatter historical records for the brand as creators rush to secure the hardware.